We have come together today to witness something so beautiful and powerful that even a pandemic could not get in the way. We come to celebrate the promise of love and a lifelong commitment. We come to celebrate and witness the marriage of Alison and Jared. Alison and Jared have spent years getting to know each other. Jared has discovered what a naturally caring and compassionate person Alison is. He loves how she's not afraid to be silly and how she brings a sense of calm in a world of chaos. Just thinking about her brings a smile to his face. Alison has discovered that Jared can make her laugh in any given situation. She loves how thoughtful and kind he is. Most importantly, she loves how much he supports her and encourages her dreams. Alison and Jared, your relationship has been a journey to take you here, and it will be a journey that continues from here forward as well. But now you journey together with a true friend beside you, one you can laugh with and cry with, grow old with, and feel forever young with. On this day, two become one.
It is often said that it is love that makes the world go round. Without doubt, it is friendship which keeps our spinning existence on an even keel. True friendship provides so many of the essentials for a happy life. It is the foundation on which to build an enduring relationship.
For those of you that know Allie, know that what an amazing person she is. She's incredibly hardworking, always reliable, and selflessly gives to everyone around her. And I have been extremely fortunate to have you by my side. Allie, you have been my rock and my best friend. I am truly blessed to have someone like you in my life. And obviously, somebody as special as Alison requires someone just as special to be with her. Jared, since day one, you have seamlessly become part of our group. You pour your whole heart into your relationship with Allie, and it truly shows. You are always there for her, pick her up when she is down, support all her dreams, and will do anything to make her smile.
Oh, wow. Very beautiful, babe.
Thank you.
Very pretty. I like it. This is good.
With great joy, by the power vested in me by the state of New York, I now pronounce you husband and wife in the eyes of this community and in the eyes of all people. And now your first kiss as husband and wife.
Can I resist the need to hear you say, whatever you do, I will be there. Son, I will follow you into the mystery, into the mystery.
As I look before the bride and groom today, I take solace in knowing that Alison is in good hands with Jared at her side. And you should know, Al, you never have to worry about Jared having your back. When it comes to family, we're ride or die, and I hope you know we feel the same way about you.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor and great pleasure, Mr. and Mrs. Jared Bokikio!
As we look ahead to the future, let this wedding be a paragon for you too. Despite an ongoing pandemic, the construction of your venue, and countless other obstacles, you and Jared persevered, and your family was by your side for support along the way. I'm a firm believer that you play the cards that you're dealt. Fortunately, you have been dealt a great hand, and it's up to you two to decide what you will do with it. Ladies and gentlemen, and anyone in between, please raise your glasses and join me in congratulating Alison as we wish them a life of health, happiness, and prosperity. Thank you.